So today I wanted to talk to you about a huge misconception amongst many of my clients and a lot of the potential clients that come to us with questions in regards to 50/50 timesharing and child support. The biggest question we get is, do I have to pay child support when I still have a 50/50 timesharing agreement? And the answer to that is sometimes yes. The child support guidelines factor in other factors other than overnights with the 50/50 timesharing. It looks at things like the party's income, insurance for the parties, insurance for the children, if there are daycare, aftercare expenses for the children, mandatory deductions for the party's employers, union dues, other child support obligations that are court ordered. And there's a list of other factors that may or may not go into your child support guidelines. But it's the fact that there's so many different factors that need to be looked at other than the 50/50 timesharing. So if one party has insurance that's more expensive than the other, then it's going to create a situation where child support is owed from one party to the other, even with a 50/50 timesharing schedule. The most common one is when the parties' incomes are not comparable. If one party is making significantly more money than the other, or even a little bit more, sometimes guidelines will still require a child support amount to be paid from one party to the other. The whole premise behind Florida child support guidelines is to create a balance or an equality between the homes that the children are living in between. So if you have questions about your specific child support situation or what the courts might order in your case, I've handled hundreds of these cases in the past. I'm very knowledgeable when it comes to child support. Feel free to give us a call and set up a consult. We'll definitely be able to give you some specifics on your child support situation. The other thing that I also want to touch on that a lot of people go wrong with is comparing their situations to others. No two cases are the same. So even if you know someone, a family member or a friend who went through a child support situation and theirs happens to pan out where child support is not paid with a 50/50 timesharing schedule, just remember that that's their specific scenario. Yours might not turn out the same way. It's always best that you consult with a professional who can answer your questions specifically in regards to your child support case. So that's just my little tidbit for today on child support and 50/50 timesharing. I hope it was helpful.